Hi everyone, I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County, and welcome to your January 2026 housing market update for York and Lancaster counties. As we begin the new year, both markets are showing some interesting shifts. Inventory has increased compared to recent months, giving buyers a bit more breathing room, but homes that are priced well are still moving quickly and sellers are still seeing strong results. Let's take a closer look. Let's start with York County. York County currently has about 2.21 months of inventory. That's an increase compared to last month and last year, which means buyers are starting to see a few more options on the market, but it's still a relatively competitive environment overall. There were 484 new listings this month, with a median list price just under $300,000 and 975 active listings with a median price around $315,000. Pending sales are still moving quickly. We saw 130 new pending listings at a median price of about $300,000, and homes typically went under contract in about 6 days. On the sold side, the median sold price was just over $303,000, which represented an increase from last month. Homes sold in a median of 14 days and were selling at essentially full asking price. Before we head east, if you found this update helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more monthly housing market updates. Now let's move over to Lancaster County. Lancaster County is still running with lower inventory overall at about 1.91 months of supply. That's still a competitive market, but with some room for buyers to coordinate a move more comfortably than earlier in the year. There were 397 new listings at a median list price of about $345,000. Active listings totaled 755, with a median price around $380,000. Pending homes moved quickly here as well, typically going under contract in about 4 days at a median list price in the mid $300,000 range. The median sold price came in at $323,500, with homes selling in about 9 days and at just over 100% of list price. So what does this mean for buyers and sellers? For buyers, inventory is improving slightly, especially in York County, which means more choices than we've seen in recent months. But desirable homes are still moving fast, often in less than a week. So preparation and quick decision making are still key. For sellers, the market remains very healthy. Homes that are priced correctly and presented well are still selling quickly, and in many cases very close to or above asking price. Even with more listings coming on the market, serious buyers are still active. As we move into the early months of the year, the key takeaway is this: the market is balancing slightly, but it's still strong. Buyers have a bit more room to plan, and sellers still hold a solid position when pricing is right. I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.